In this video, we're going to be talking about your basic HTML structure or basic HTML tag. Understand? So, first of all, you have to know what they call live server. If you don't want to be stressing yourself, let me show you what I mean. Sorry. If you don't want to be stressing yourself, this is what they call live server. For instance, let me just use proper listing. My name is Michael, for instance. You can either do this way, copy parts to be showing you things that you want, but you have to come here and refresh for it to show. Understand? Or you can do it this way, which is for me is better. You go here, download what they call live server, which I already have in mind. You download it, then when you are finished downloading it, you will now come here and now do open with live server. I'm not seeing the option here. Wait. Yes, sorry, see it here. Open with live server. So you now do here. Let me use H1 for instance. Let me see. You are my, for instance, girlfriend. Wait. Why is it not renewing? Wait. Why is this changing like this? Okay, sorry. Your live server cannot load without a what they call it, your normal document structure. So to create this, what you have to do is shift and number 1 key at the top of your keyboard. So you are targeting this element abbreviation, this first one here. Understand? So this is what your HTML will give you. So this DOCTYPE here tells your code editor. Now I'm using Visual Studio Code. It shows the code editor that this file now that you are on is an HTML file. You write English? Yes, it's an HTML file. So after creating .html to signify that yes, it's an HTML file, up here too, you still need to put doctype HTML to show that it's an HTML file. This signifies that this is Englishizing for your coding of your website. Then this is what they call metadata. Yeah, inside your hashtag, they give you more information about your web page that you are on, and they are also important for SEO, which is search engine optimization. Understand? So this thing here, I wonder why this thing is not showing me. I wonder why. This document here is the title of your page, of the current page that you are on. Understand? So if I am to use, for instance, now, so let me use Miguel, for instance, now. See, that's already updated. For this video, we are using basic structures. So let me just put basic structures stand of HTML. So this is it. So your body tag is just from here to here. Around your web page is your body tag. Understand? So this is your body tag. Everything you're building in your web page, every paragraph, every word, every tag you have to be inside your body tag. Understand? So it will be visible. Understand? So this is how it works. So this is your basic structure. And then let me just talk about some elements in your structures. Like let me say your H1, for instance. Your H1, your H tags. Or some people call it your header tags. I don't know. Me, I call it H tags. So your H tags come in 6 forms: your H1, your H2, your H3, your H4, your H5, and your H6. H1 is the biggest. Sorry, let me use banana. H1 is the biggest in terms of size. Understand? Let me show you an example. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, just copy this. As you can see, H2 is smaller than H1, but it's still big. As you can see, H3, sorry, H3 is smaller than H2, but it's still big. As you can see, let me use another one, which is H4. H4 is smaller than H3. Is how the thing goes till your H6. Understand? But what you have to know is that you can still use CSS, understand, to style this thing to be in a way that H1 will look like H6. So what you call font size, understand, to be in a way that H1 will be like H6. Let me show you what I mean by that. Alright guys, before we continue, I would like you guys to subscribe, like, share, and also make comments to my channel if you enjoy my videos, and I hope you do. Thanks for your time. Let's go back to the video. I'm gonna be using the style, understand? Style will be able to target what is in your HTML body here and style it. For instance, now I want to style this H1 to look like, let me say H3, and let me say H4, which is a fourth one. That is this one here. Understand? So let me do that. Understand? So I'm gonna target this first. As I'm targeting this H1 now. So let me use what they call, sorry, font size. Let me make it 12 pixel. Let me see it's going to look like it. No, it's smaller. Let me make it 14 pixel. All right. Keep on adjusting it. Okay, yeah, this is it. As you can see, I've styled this my H1 to look like my H4. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, my H4, that is this one here. After this, my H1 to look like it. So this is what I mean by you can use CSS to style any tags to look like themselves. Understand? So another time we're gonna be talking about in this video is your paragraph. Now, before I continue, I forgot to say this earlier on. Your elements or your tags come in two types. This is what they call inline tags or inline elements, and what they call block tags or block elements. Understand? Inline tags are tags that do not start a new line whenever you are using them, while block tags are tags that start a new line whenever you are using them. Understand? I'll show you guys what I mean by that, but for now, let me just show you guys. So your block tags now are tags like, let me say, your div tag, your paragraph tag, like I showed you guys, your H1 to H6 that is here, your UL, OL that is on ordered list and ordered list. I'll show you guys that along the line in the video. Let me just write them here. Then your headers, your footers, your section, your articles, your navs, your table forms. Understand? When I'm doing more videos, I'll show you guys what this thing means. Understand? But let me just give you a typical example of what I mean by block elements. For instance, now I have this now. For instance, I have "You are my hero." For instance, now let me now put span. For instance, now, are you sure? Something like this. As you can see, your P tag, understand, is a block element. That is why it pushes this span to the next line. It's not taking any other thing on this line. By default, it's a block element. Understand? So it pushes the next tag to the next line. Understand? But if I change this thing to, let me say something like your B now, for instance, you guys, that's already shown itself. Your B, that is your bold. As you can see, it's an inline tag. That is why this span came up. Span itself is also an inline tag. understand? Or you can call it your inline element tag, whatever you want to call it, your inline element, understand? That is why it comes up to this page too. So that is what I mean by inline and block, understand? So that is all for this video. I would really appreciate it if you guys like my videos and subscribe to my channel, as you can see. Thank you very much.